Hi everyone, so today we're gonna discuss about string class in Java. So string is nothing but a collection of characters. Suppose I have taken this string SkillBout. So this complete word is nothing but a string. And if we have separated each and every letter in this string, this is nothing but a character. So these are nothing but a characters. Okay, so string is nothing but a collection of characters. How you can differentiate between string and character is string is always stored in a double inverted comma, and meanwhile characters are always stored in a single inverted comma like A. And string is nothing but A, B, C, D, E. So if we have stored in a double inverted comma, that means it is a string. String is if we have defined this as a string, then it will create an like a object of a string class. So what string is a nothing but a class, just like we have object class. String is also class. So that's why if this we have created a string, so it will convert this in a form of object of a string class. The another main point we have is to work on a string. What we have is java.lang dot string package. So to use a methods, predefined methods of a string class, we have to import this package. And there are like four different ways to create a string object. What are the different ways? First one is simple, that is we can use a string uh, s is equals to suppose 6. Okay, so we have created simple string class object. We can also create an instance variable, that is a string s is equals to using a new keyword, new string, and here we can pass the value that is 6. Okay, so this is a second way. The third way, we can create like a character array, char c, and in character array we can store the value that is a, e, I, o, u. So we have created a character array. Now we can pass this character array in this variable string s is equals to new string c. Okay, so this is also another way to like create a string. And the one last is like byte array. So byte array, in byte array we have byte, and in that we have byte is equals to that I will store the value, that is A is like stored as a 65. So this is a value for the character, that is 65, 66, and 67. We can store like this, and this will convert into the first it will convert into the uh, character set, and after that if that character set will be passed in the string. String is equals to new string, and in that we can store this uh, sorry, I have not given a name here, b. Okay, so b array. So these are the four different ways to create a string. Okay, next what we have, another main concept is string constant pool, SCP, that is nothing but a string constant pool. Okay, so here what we have, like suppose I have declared one string, string s is equals to skillbout. Okay, And another one I have created using a new keyword. String s1 is equals to new string, and here I will pass suppose Krati. Okay, so what will happen, like these string constant pool is nothing but a area inside a heap memory. Area inside heap memory. So suppose this is nothing but a heap memory. And in heap memory, somewhere around here we have a string constant pool, SCP. This is a heap memory. So this string constant pool is the nothing but a area present in a heap memory. What will happen is this is a string, S is a string SkillBout. So what it will create only one object. Okay, that one object is nothing but a created by us only. So what is this? Here I will store this one object that is nothing but a SkillBout. And in S1, it will create two objects. One object is created by JVM and another one is like we have created it. So first one is like this is a SkillBout S, and here we have Krati, which is JVM created it, and here we have like one more object which is nothing we have created. This is pointing S1 and this is nothing but S, and this is created by JVM. Internally, JVM will create it. So this is a string constant pool. Suppose we have like created many string objects. Like suppose I have created string S1 is equals to new string Deepak. Okay, and after that I have created one more string S2 is equals to new string Rahul. And similarly, I have created this S3. This is new string and given a same value just like a S1. So what will happen? This is a heap memory. Okay, so heap memory we have string constant pool, and this is nothing but a heap memory. So I have created a Deepak. So first one we have like this will created by a JVM, and we have this one. This is nothing but a S1. Then we have Rahul. So this is nothing but we have to create one object in a heap memory, one in a SCP. And then we have S3. So what will happen? JVM will not create another object, but we have it will create in a heap memory. We have created an same value object two times. This is nothing but a S1, this is nothing but a S2, and this is nothing but a S3. So whenever we call S3, this object will show the memory location of this object will be shown, and whenever we call S1, this object memory location is shown. So we have like taking one more like taking a string of a normal form like S4 is equals to nothing but a Deepak. Okay, now I have taken this same thing. Then we have which is nothing but a Amit, and then again we have a string that is nothing S6 of a same name, that is Deepak. So uh, what will happen, the JVM created this object is now pointed by S4 and S6. They will not create any another object with the same name in the string constant pool. And uh, now we have S5, so S5 is nothing but a myth. We have to create, the value is changed, so we will create another object, but the value which is same is point to the same object which is created by the JVM. So this is the like efficient way to create an string objects. So to check the like location of this object, we have one method, predefined method, that is nothing but a hash code. So whenever we use this method, we can get a memory location. So we can check the memory location using this predefined method. Now, next important thing is what immutability. Immutability, string are immutable. Why string are immutable? Just think about it, and if you know the answer, well and good, and if you don't know, just think about it. Why string is immutable? So immutable. Let me tell the meaning of this word. That is non-changeable. Okay, so string is immutable because, like, suppose I have created this value and I want to change the value of S4 to Deepak from Deepak to suppose I have to create a Krati here instead of Deepak. But now S4 and S6 is pointing to the same object. So we cannot like change the value of this object. We What we can do is we can create another object naming Krati, and S4 will can point to this object and S6 can point to the that one. So that is immutable. We cannot change the value of the object. We can create a new object of a different value. That's why string is immutable. Okay, so these this is a like very important question. Why string is immutable? So what we can say that we cannot change the value of the object. Like suppose we have two objects which is pointing to the same object value. So we cannot change the value for the both. If we want to change the value of a one object, we have to create a new object, and that will point to that new object. So that is the reason string is immutable. Then we have some predefined methods which is present in a string. So let me like there are many predefined methods, but I will give you an overview for the each and every methods. So first one, we have a length method. Length method is used to find the length of a string. Suppose I have a like very like I have Krati Awasthi as my string. So it will count the character and return the length of the string in a form of integer. Returns returns the length of the string. Sorry, length of the string in a form of array. Okay, then we have another predefined method, that is empty. Is empty is nothing, just to check if the given string is empty or not. Given string is empty. Given string is empty or not. Okay, and then we have trim method also. So these are like some predefined methods we will discuss in a next video with a practical examples. So that is for the video. Thank you for hearing.